for aha Ghana 70 VGH. Mesra will like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will notify. Ebusian for say there. One now unji susum edi say o bibi wo wiase a say say on say bibi wo wiase ampa since MPP LOZ 2024 election ama mi kra mi de na mi gidi pa ba say me hu say yes bibi wo wiase na akufaro nyakopon ye fa ni dia agro because akufaro nyakopon nko ande otimi otua kantentem pa unji dia de ko bisa Okudzeto ablakwa. So why won't you say Akufaro Nyankopon etimi tua kantentema? Ko bisa Okudzeto ablakwa. Say then e ko so say we regretting in some bebre wo wa for sa Okudzeto kai e ba na NDC opposition today or we say wanka. Yeah. And that is Akufaro Nyankopon for you. Okudzeto ablakwa say ene journalist. Mo journalist for you. Journalist for Muko budget scanner first year, mu budget 78 million. Said they will be quiet. No, you have seen say money cannot silence somebody forever. I hope you are seeing it. Money, it cannot silence somebody forever. The best you can do is say the person will be quiet for a period of time. After that, when the money is finished, I clear. Scanner sample I clear. And no say or journalist. And then journalist for I catch you say, who Okudzeto no. Your past is catching up with you. And rightly so. Nsema ukai, Ebrana Akufo-Addo power. We see sole sourcing of contracts. See. Who Okudzeto na ukai say Akufo-Addo sole sourcing contract. And the sole sourcing contract I say ye dima ye nyanemu ene ye busianfo no. Yes na mukai. And to say sana ye ideology na sana ye perception na then it means say any sa contract muso source bebrebe edima over 44 of them no e say mo slave queens mo side chicks mo baby mamas mo adam fufuo ene mo nuanum na mo dima nyami na make journalist for ne kan say kofo a na mo ye quiet no e say goodwill na twem goodwill no etwe mewie and say nsema esese wo man nemu no say there afunu obi ama obi akasabi obi akasabi nothing has happened yet to nothing has happened yet mu ma baban mu mu di ade bi ba say big push sak big push na me nim pass sak big push no NDC for shala na mu di ba be sorti omu hu out enti na omu ka say omu nkoji lo na di big push no omu use your taxes and say your taxes are revenue omu mobilize free or mine mono sasika omu che among themselves AD and wa wunye maybe I can say contractor registered under NDC here unye bi contract unye bi we den unye bi and that is why they are not allowing for any competitive tendering. Now I'll show even for the mining sector, they are not allowing for competitive lobbying. How do you think say for big push projects? Acquiring road and they will allow. NDC for Abemoa, this power they have come with a plan, and they are implementing their plans one after the other. Every year after year, or more plan. Year 1 number year 2 number year 3 number year 4 number. To who ye one now, when we see now move the nyamanu, black water gold board, loss, ni nyama year 2, damine mining. Aha, offer damine mining, so now so sources of big push and all those things. And omu we no swa, no ma sorry free, echo the next one. That is NDC for you. Aba papa na aba nyeza. Okudzeto. Wara. And the journalist for nekas asem natural. Say you are worse. Asem biara uka say NPP for enye wo mukra biano wo Okudzeto ablakwa we are worse. You are the worst version of whatever you were complaining about. Ebusianfo, let's go and listen to Angel FM, the Angel TV journalist for. But before then, Ebusianfo your studio. But your mumbo na ye why. Na ba na was screen as ye kitwa bianswa. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
And I won't so bad. Sad the corona, o can't watch him. O can't, yes, and yet, and more minor. O can't, I know ya. Do not feel so, yes, I didn't be.
Just and rap. Nay, Juada. Menumi, Kwame, baby, ya. Make key point to be an Kai or say, Angel and rap. Kwesi mensa baby, I know Jinano on one issue. No, Okako Bunkum. Okako Bunkum, more reasons why Okako Bunkum no. Oka Chemamo who say that is the best option. Nani Nuya Mansoko, Ekako Nifa, or Boma, my who said the Americano, and Pasumu, na Eyokotobe Kuma, Mwa Mayo baby. Because no no position, no door, my Ghana, no Chilawin Semu. From Enra and you may be say no pay, Anya Crano, Minipa mi nua, and ne, Omoa Baimo, we ministers of state. No more a year. Omo kasa mekvanza mi ensakura no omo ka so se hoasem condemn me sa action no Nana Addo kwakufu ado aban o teki ba so sen kiremu ka baako okasi so fe ne se ase nyina se omo nyame yo madom pass Ghana for the tumi ma omo no mo bedi oman so ade friend se so sen enye bibi omo de be ye adwuma ma sentu baako na kwa de sentu ne oni di nkomo no busa ne se krache asema wo kan ekina bi ebeba abonte ama ya bo akire wo wose me na me ka kire wo be me sese me bo se enya de papa nti o man Ghana emwa ye nti yen ye NDC for your opposition
we yana
the year promising in our manifesto ne said the Reset Ghana manifesto ne said yebe amended the Public Procurement Act single source yebe chaso because it's been abused yebe chaso the only window will be emergencies, that's all the other limitations no. We are going to end it. It's here because the abuse, we can't take it any longer.
Angel. But I say, wait.
Samuel Okudzeto Abrakwa. Now foreign minister.
Where you mubako?
Oni Ghana.
Where you mubako? Once I'm going to say, nipa be miensa. I name you know a ministers of state. Bako so ekuta portfolio kesepa wa ba musisia. Ano munyina condemn me so and ne. Wouldn't they turn around is na yanka say na enya na ye ka kwan yo mofa so ye na ene si de mpempenso na mo ye no na na ye ka ma nipa ka say Ghana nipa bibiri nya adwi bi say amanyofo ni enka no kre e me no bi o mu nyina o but ne enre si ye na esi no ma credence to the fact ne enkofo claim say politicians we yekrom ha enka no kre no o mu tumu nchini o ochina mese ubeya omo amanyosem no amanyosem anya de bone say ye kyekere wo ma no enkrofo de o mani achi behwe o ma obia kan se obia nyini o people should have idea broni kan say integrity say idea no na enye no kwame ene entimi nya papa o say no a wo so obi de ne sabonkum na chi aye na wo kan ya so omu ade a ene say na ye Morgan na ye ne no na wo konde na ye onuma ko de sabonkum na chi akwame e wo so utimi gina na ka kire ya wo say enye dan say ne ufi say ya odi oben nti be say woni say bonkum mom de ode chia depend on baby kura na wugina na say mood a wom. There can never be a justification for wrongdoing. So if you say no anya ene have that same kind of mentality and the conscience na can say enye omo yesa na omo ye nuanom omo ye namfonom but idea me say no na enye no kwame ene ye ntimi justify you. So
we are admitting to near maybe say enema bi wo ho a entumi ensesa
but for political gains entina ma omo kan sa they know
because when you look at for a better naka krania e kamia say say nema the NDC at omo opposition no omo kan no say dodo na no catch up with them
of course.
I'm a binum ha bon say na contradict o say o ne se mo ka so be ye ni say afi de na mo ye ni say
afi no pe baby ehuru
na so pe baby ehuru o ne se we o ka so be ye ni say o afi adenti na wo ye ni say so to the be a microphone adwene you o say then politics is about that. Enya about say ba be develop or mine say wade fufuro bi a ye be
as a akonya na ye pe na akonya na ye so ye pe e bi amom wo ha no masankwan kakra mo nko ye so ba ye benya bia be personality
say we ye minister we say ne din asesa so you say we na ya Central Regional Minister say we na ye asumasi na aba we ye free o na bi asesa in political party but fun say yɛnsesa ɔman ne paa deɛ
ɛne kwan fa so tu anam ade korɔ na
o deɛ go back na ekotietie nneɛma bi a asisi deɛ mmerɛ bi a no opposition ni gidi sɛ saa deɛ wei deɛ ɛnyɛ ɛmo ɔman no ɔbaa wayɛ de korɔ na bi
wayɛ obi tibi kwa yɛ ma ne boro deɛ ɔkɔndɛm yɛ no so
korɔ na bi omeka sɛ wei nyɛ presidential jet nam so hu hia sɛ yɛbɛtɔ presidential jet ne ho ɔden
the ɔkɔ no ho adin ɔma panyin bɛtumi atu kwan
dabi ɛnyɛ wɔsɛ yɛsan ɛtɔ presidential jet foforo
ɛyɛ ana mpɛ bi ɔmo ka so ɛnyɛ sɛ ɔmo nim ne ɔmo ka no ɔmo nim sɛ deɛ ɔɔka no asɛm na ɔɔka no onim paa sɛ deɛ ɔka sɛ wɔsɛ ɔmo yɛ ne bi wɔ hɔ a feasibility no koraa wɔ fam deɛ ɔmo yɛ naa no ɛnyɛ bɔne saa but for political gains ɛyɛ ntorɔ political gains sɛ yɛnyɛ biribi sɛ dɛ mɛsɛ sɛ tape ya boyi any the other tapes a nipa no kasa abrante betimi akasa henham ma otumi so odogan na ene nipa kro na no wo say ka bibi foforo enti no ye ni conscience say chinchina say yesu ye me benya akwanya na me so me besom me be ye bi na me ho to minti no ene de bibi aye
obi opposition so na ministers no ka so om di dam say esesa na se bedru no so a
also Dakar
Dakar no ko kan o se na ka memfa
fom enti o ma na kan na o mo ho de na o mo mfa fom
no ba come ayi a kiro more
o mo de na o mo mfa fom but kwa me wo ka so ma menya quick na menka Asempa Super Promo 2026 no asem kakra bi se
obi a otie ye bi a watie ye consistently BF nimsi ye kan okrewa
yeah and now sorry so now person obi tie education so
what you say ana say ye educate you now person ye be educate you
enya ha
o de political propaganda
eno an ye
ana wo party de afidi wa nti eno ana wadwene ye condition do so a wo party a eno nya ha na abenya no
dabe
aha no ye sua de educate inform what you say
wonderful
the most important thing is that wo truthfulness a ya ha ya enti enkomo ni bi ho kra na enyansi yo but we discuss it ye di ho nkomo ye ho adwena
ye kan so a den bebem
ye kan nche bia
nesi
etara yetimi kan sem ni bi na ye bie phone lines na nko for free twaboy
last week ye kofa Ghana Procurement Act restrictive tendering mu ekwan a gold board for so mo fa so no mo use restrictive tendering any ade nyina companies aka mo underlist o mo nyina ye nim o mo nyina
ye nim ba kokra
what you say ye die no ho nkomo a ye ka say but the NDC promise say woman for so sourcing
ejuma
because so sourcing one it does not allow for value for money okay the reason is that say contract to honey the Bema company A na yes ye ma company B ni C bid for contract ni bi but rather the any ayatwema ye de ma Kwame company A okay what it means is that ye hu say Kwame the proposals ni I mean quotations or the abedi nyina no boa ye am ye nya ade na ye so me no so mfa so de bo ni ye ma ye ne anaso man we will not get to know unless there is competition it is a competition bemua na companies no ye ma obi akwan say open up obi an show the capacity who capacity a ubetimi aye contract ne nko ade demonstrate it
of course
on your proposals clearly no you have a better option, a better chance of choosing a very good option out of the lot. And how you do home comma a Korea not just say, she said, the so sauce and one on by your money.
No,
why? So sauce ye under big push. It is alleged, some companies any road contract. And the big push ni na so sauce in Korea. You hear man near hand picking company we.
That's in court.
Sanya many been a CC ya. And I'm the one to me dinner court you.
40%. Rose Minister say 40%.
Why? And Crawford the roads contract in this country. One year quiet down.
Oh yeah.
Rather no, one more the so sauce in the contract now. No more subcontracted the amount of
ebi mu kura ton ono akwaje no so ton
yen hwe ni yie o
onto this can be to so no aton
kware yen hwe ni yie o
ebi mu ton
enti contractors ni bi ho mu sika aka mu no contract ni nyom ne de ma wo mu direct o
dabi
okoji free baby and wo ye ho adwuma
yeah
and the fact is that baby okoji free and we feel say nipa ne so politically powerful enti obeye adwuma na wie no na ne sika koye den akokem it comes back to the special audit reporter finance minister mo ye yomo de buy ya or say there are certain amount of claims and crofos o mo ye contractor ma ban a o mu claim ya o mo validate ya enye
Yeah.
kwame de make not say so one link near money bebre na isisi here in the past some of these things sa ne ko wie kwame sa ne be kwa ko wie
And pay yensan so by Mra Yamia Waduma Gususu, yensan so educate Ghana for our say contracts you mahoda Odaroma, take through the pain or go through the pain.
In fact,
And let's educate the people.
No, we are coming to it, but I'm just saying, sir. And common be a ye do okay? It is not because you want to tell you na be a person you come.
That be
and I say time will be
A month ago, few weeks ago, 3 weeks or a few days ago, Anna yetina ha no bed syndrome, right?
you can't want
You
them.
can't want them.
Yes.
They do
I
come
change data
data na
Ghana for best the number of beds and padodo are you in this country. Oko hospital here, most precisely the Greater Accra region.
Yeah.
You did home come ebisa say edi entia abanisa.
Ye di san komo no wie no o man fa ne serious anya mo.
Obi enfi so obi enfi o.
And o mo tena ho na ne recently ya kolebu.
Later no mo ye ya na afe minority MPs ni ko raise concerns about chance so usu ni wuo no.
Yeah, chance me sir.
Chance me sani wuo no, right? Our ambulance mu wu ye because ye nya bed in farmer no. Omo raise ya na omsi oh. Ene mo raise de ene ye be ye ho adwuma. Anna minister no quickly started say okoko hospitals na sa de money see here yen sanction doctors ni bi why mo na na e wo duty doctor na dwuma ni so be provide bed
That be in the dwuma no.
medical doctor wono na ko school awia
yes
so be hwe no nsan kofo yare wono e na said so be provide bed and so ba ye no 5.1 ye de ko say doctor di no
Yeah, we are not ready to solve it all.
Yeah.
Doctor ni na catch us say nipa no ba ye no bed ni where de beto so. How do you expect us to treat the person?
Nansen ya de ye ba ya
Anna, woman mama directive ameba. I no so the year kaba. The genesis of Kolebu de no. E ha na free. Other minister no Emma directive said no. Under no circumstance near the Obibeba hospital. In an emergency situation na obeka se bed ni honti won treat no. Anna fei Kolebu for say okay, one my directive ne dia. Ye ne yesi bed ne bi ni ho. What's you a bill?
I be honti ba intina.
Yen treat no. And the ko wie say enkrofo kwa no mo de da corridors no so.
Om de da form. Om de da form.
Wo mu nya ba bi na.
Om de da form.
Ana fe dia kwa wie say Kolebufo ani say there be o minister. Wo ba ho na obekasa ye na obeye ewu dede no. Minister bia ba be ye visitor. Oba nsrahwe a yesiesi akwan mu ma ne ma ne yete say de bibia ye pepepe. And also there I disagree with them. Why? If you are a professional person, you are a professional person. They cannot say.
Yeah.
Let us not hide the truth about Enyema Ekosu in our public sectors are enye. Okay? Hospital hono conditions e wo honye. Wo medical doctor no kra na it is a disrespect to you. Say wa ko school awie agi training awie. Now we are in a very bad environment. I can't hear we hear tools and equipment now we hear the year Jumano. At the end of Minister Abawa, then you deliberately pretend said yeah, Bibia okay, Bibia
but Dr. Ninu say won't mean kasa on konko yedman so.
No, mean kasa on konko yedman. But I'm only saying say Minister Nebano, let him come and see the reality on the ground.
The minister say oh yeah, aware of the reality and so bad. But minister because of the bloggers bent.
Now what the bloggers they ban today. Right?
Bloggers about
it's just as if say yeah what you mean by yeah and pay you buy a microphone ubia ma na anti bia nam se nua ma so or baba sira wo studio hanti no
and quickly
na utuna de hey kwa mo yes ade na me metewoto ya me cannot say
yeah right
anti bi be wura ha na sem se nua ma be wura ha ade ne nye na dada mo atena ho ahwe amonya metewoto. It is not a matter of say penny be rusted you hunting condition be on nya young pretend say now penny in the bed then when we say condition our woman was over the amount. But at the end of the day, a Jumani Suntia ye fa ono. A Jumana Nkosua. Okay? You account for it too.
Of course, any day.
I find that doctors number one more catches so Kolebu situation no, it is not as how we saw it at the time our minister visited one. Don't say Kosi and Kosi. Yakwa Saba Besi and Nemo.
Yeah, Yakwa, yes, Yakwa.
Cause 90, no work is done.
Yeah, Yakwa Besi and Nemo. Yakwa Kwame. Yakwa Besi and Nemo.
What yes, you did home come. I know me and sometimes who can't say me be they tell you so, and I won't pay with yasem, and I will criticize you, and I will your NPP, and I will your NDC.
Now, a human is saying, that be yes, how much?
And no cry the case.
Go through the paper.
You don't expect me so much. Sorry,
I'm going to say,
Hanama the boa baswa
political
I don't know
propaganda.
I don't know a year. You have to know about
nipa ne oso na ekon
they've been so many times.
Yentimi nkota oso na chi nko ntie nipa
Kwame, they've been so many times. Obia ye bibi a year. You have to know how much bona baso ade o ye de. Na you can say a year de no jitum na nea o ye ne nye ne ye kan.
Say asem na den a if you one side of the coin no. If you outside